What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It is a new day, and today it is daylight and we have this CRZ. So we got the front fitted up the other day. We got those panels on, and boy, does it look good. I need to put some mesh in here down the road and hide that. Really, that's really ugly. I'll probably just wrap over that after hitting it with some primer. But today we are going to mount up the rears, get the fitment looking right, then we can move on to the next project for the next video. So let's go knock that out real quick. So by the measurements I got, I basically just need to add 15 millimeter spacers to the rear, which I have. So I'm gonna go prep all that, and then this should fit a little sunk, but that's what I'm going for. I want the front to be relatively flush with the rear, just sunk enough to just clear all of this and not hear any rubbing anymore. That'd be great. Always put something to stop your car from rolling back. So I'm going to put the car in first gear just so that it goes forward and not back. Relatively quick, so I won't be using any jack stands. Whoa, a leaf bug. Thing jumped at my face. That was the scariest thing I've ever experienced in my life. You're wondering what kind of impact this is? It's a Ryobi. Everything looks pretty good back here. Oh, this thing doesn't even fit. So I thought the 15 mils that I actually had fit, but they don't. So I'm gonna have to use these 20 mils in the rear. It actually has a really nice fitment to it, but it does rub. So I'll probably run two 15s in the rear, then two 25s in the front, or two 35/40s, I don't know. Right now with the front end setup, it's not too bad. It does rub and it doesn't let me pull off, which isn't really an issue other than U-turning. It's not that it doesn't let me, it just, you can hear it hitting the plastic trims. And the reason it doesn't fit on these guys, this is a hub centric, which is made to sit around this ring, while this is more like a universal fit, and that's why they're so different. Fortunately, I have to use this fat kid right here. When they're not hub centric, you just want to make sure when you install it, you wiggle it around before you final torque it down. That way it's as centered as possible. I'm just gonna knock this around. We're only putting 3 in for now, and then we'll go hop to the other side, do the same thing. very solid. All right, let's go do the other side. There we have it. That looks pretty good. Super flush though, if you see that. Holy cow. Let's go drop it down and see how it looks. Let's check this thing out. Oh, and if you guys are wondering where I put my spare tires, put them on this rack. You can get them on Amazon for about $36 for a rack, and they're super legit. I have 2 of them in my garage, and way worth the money, so recommend them. Save some room. Put the link in the description below.